sucked yesterday. Like, seriously. Solidly sucked, but it's fine. What's up, Louie? How are you? How's it going? How's everything doing? Oh, for crying out loud. Okay, I see the Wi-Fi is still having a mini meltdown. Just won't do that today. Okie dokie. I, for the life of me. For the actual life of me. There we go. Hey, hi, life. How are you doing? How's it going? Are you amazing? I hope so. Have an amazing Tuesday. Did you like both streams? I hope you like both streams. Them's the rules. You gotta like both streams. OTT, what's up? How you doing? Another tremendous day ahead of us. I'm gonna spam the like button. Spam. Jordy, yeah, don't ask me how, but I am, oopsies, indeed, still hanging in there. Spam, 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 spam. Okay. Soldier boy, how you doing? I'll do it now. Yeah, you gotta spam them like buttons on both, and then, you know, according to High Life, that's how you get, oh good grief, that's how you get screamed at apparently. That's how you get wins. Nope, that was not what I wanted to do. There we go, that's what I wanted to do. So, let's mark out everything. I see it did eventually go to that freaking Bob level. Anyways. New York was atrocious yesterday. Wow. Not even gonna sugarcoat that one. New York was not nice yesterday. So anyways, here's the New York high. And... well, New York low was already taken. Let's... no. Okay, one thing at a time, Maya. One thing at a time. Alright, for crying out loud. Okay, never mind. Previous day high. Okay. Now we can make this New York high slash, ooh, low-key relative equal highs. Look at that. Well, ain't that just juicy? Okay, anyway, here's Asia high. Asia high, okay. And Asia low. Done. Awesome sauce. New weekly opening gap is still over there. Now, new daily opening gap. Well, let's even see if there is a gap. Not really. Oh, there's a little bit of an imbalance though. Okay. So, nope. I'm being a chop. That just has to look like that. And shoot. This is the imbalance. Let's see if it's... excuse my hiccups, sorry. A little bit of an imbalance there. I mean, nothing hectic, don't get me wrong, but still. Midnight. Now we look for midnight. Okay. Midnight open. Okay, dokey. And now we're good to go. Now, just to do the daily. Live sound, what's up? Kevin, hi. Live sound, looking back in New York, glad I missed it. That would have been a couple of L's for me. Listen, New York was sucky anyways. And a lot, I think. Probably Lance. Let's see. Today I'm actually going to take a few more trades. So if it gets blown, screw it. Right. No, that's the wrong mentality. That is the wrong mentality. Bad. What happened? Well, the cables probably else, the electricity went up. No, the Wi-Fi just had a mini meltdown. That's why it wasn't really a power outage, just the Wi-Fi literally had a mini meltdown. Ben, what's up? Yeah, I am. I heard of my life, thank you. What's the feeling? Ben, yawn, rude. Indicator, what's up, Rhino? What's up, Rhino? How's it going? How's it going? Okay, before I focus too much, I'll chat to you all now. Let me quickly turn that off. Turn this off. Let's do a quick top to bottom analysis. How we're looking. Whoopsie daisies. Okie dokie. I see London has opened, but let's quickly do a top to bottom analysis. Okay, still a little bit down here. This majority has actually been taken now. Question is, are we going to go up for all of these relative equal highs? Literally. So many relative equal highs. Anyways, that was daily. Let's do the 4 hour. Brain cells kicking in. Awesome sauce. Let's do this. Really like how you address each comment. Oh, of course, Lance. I do apologize if I missed things though. Just saying. Rhino market, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures, if that's what you're asking. Ew, it did go to that 458. Nice, it just took a while to get there. Testing off of there. We're gonna go back down into this volume imbalance on the 4 hour. Maybe at least cover a little bit of the wick. We're gonna keep going up. All these imbalances. Okay. Reset chart. Let's give this thing a go. Up and up. Okay, then, so that was the 1 hour. Let's check the 15-minute. Can't zoom out too much, or else I'm causing havoc. Awesome, so we did cover there. There's still this little bit of an imbalance, so it could go up a little bit higher, up to 284. Awesome. 284 is possible. 5 minutes. Oh, I lied. We didn't quite tap fully into that order block on the 5 minute. Where's 284? Oh, I went way too far up. That was a chop move to do. No. Not quite in imbalance. on the 5 minute. Interesting. Well, let's do this thing. And do that. And that. And we're ready to rumble. David. Rhino, where am I from? Hey, Campbell. So I'm from South Africa. What's up? To anyone that's just hopped on.
Hi! Hi!
Hello.
Good morning!
Just sales targeting 180. How's it going so far this week for you with this thing? What's up, Atlanta? It's okay. Let's see. Okay, it looks like we're going straight back to midnight. Oh, we have a little pair here. I sold up 200 for the day. Nice! Quick preschool trade. Nice. And now you're good to go for the day, right? Mika, what's up? Heavy resistance zone. Okie dokie. ICES is just respecting VWAP like crazy again today. Where was... There's 3 AM open. Awesome. Okay. 3 AM open. Let's see what we get. But I mean, that's not bad. Let's see if I get 20 bucks. Louis, I believe in you. You've got this. You've got this. Did you get in for a shorty short? Ironically, I don't hate this trade. See it go back down to midnight. I just don't think it's gonna go that far up. Let's see, I also would be low-key going against the trade. I'm gonna buy a funded soon. Hopefully I'll pass the value. You will! Loader, you've got this! 20 bucks means I lost the... I guess, Louis, fair. Good grief, David. Okay. But we're doing this, we've got this, it's gonna be great. Biggest fan of those wicks, but 1, 2, 3. Let's just confirm we're not getting chopped up again today. That would be ideal. Okay, yesterday I didn't trade because I was like, oh no, London, let me wait for New York, and New York sucked. Seriously, New York was garbage. Sounds mean, but it is what it is. We should chuck that so bad. What do you mean? This is my normal one. I love that you say good grief. I've only seen that been said in a Snoopy really? Jeez, man. Trading at 3 AM. Nah. My guy, in South Africa, it's a 9 AM. It's fantastic. New York, yeah, was awful today. You're not wrong. Yeah, Kim lol, it was... Yeah. It was quite sad, actually. I had really high hopes. I had real high hopes. I had really high hopes. This is solidly going against high low, high low, high low. He's solidly going against the trend right now, so I'm I know I'm dumb, but I'm not that dumb. I'm not gonna take that if we're going solidly against the trend. It's gonna push a little bit higher on ES by the looks of things as well. What should work out just because I said that? Just because I said that. Yep. And that big candlestick all the way down. I'm selling. Green Globe Explorations. What's up? Yes, Bishop. Attack on Titan. Haven't you watched Attack on Titan before? No? Cheeseman says go along. Is this a funded account? It is funded. What's up, Alex? Anyone that's just hopped on?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
How you doing? How's it going? Hope you're amazing. I was about to say, it looks like the buyers are not quite giving in. Yep. Oh, there do be a fight going on right now. Alrighty then. Tap back up. Ooh, okay, it tapped into the volume imbalance on ES. I really thought that NQ would push up higher. Sugar honey iced tea. Would have been good. Damn. Lesson learned. That was A+. I should have taken that. My bad. My bad. It was a bit early in the morning. Now we know. Next one. We're good to go. Hey, Shaki Brown. What's up? How you doing? Hassan? How you doing? I feel like I said that wrong. How are you? Got so close to making 20 bones. Aiming to sweep some of that 5-minute lows from the 1 hour gap. Ideally take Asia low before heading up. It's still kind of stuck on midnight. It would be nice to see it go for Asia low. I mean, look at all of these. Look at all of the sell side liquidity. Ooh. And new weekly opening gap. Let's not forget about the new weekly opening gap. Let's see, it would be ideal to see it want to go back and retest the new weekly opening gap during London today. So that being said, I guess theoretically, yeah, bears are in play. As long as we don't go sideways, we're good to go. Bones means dollars. Oh, sorry, my brain just went to, there was a very weird, like, comedy thing called Mr. But what? No, not Mr. Bones. Was it Mr. Bones? I actually can't remember the name of it. Hey, Mr. Pix, what's up? How you doing? Again, anyone that's just hopped on.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Hope you're doing amazing. Okay, it was just shy of midnight there. Oh, we are low-key going sideways. Pity, pity, pity. Okay. Okay. Would have worked out. Anyways, how's everybody doing? How's it going for everybody? Sorry guys, like I said, it's been a long week and it's only Tuesday. Not only is it only Tuesday, it's only Tuesday morning. Like, what the heck? Anyways, Ilui, what's up? And hey, Thirstic, what's up? Welcome back. How are you doing? How's it going? How do you use the new weekly opening gap? I usually discount it after it's been filled, but I've noticed it can often be used as liquidity. So I use it basically as liquidity, like you said. Sometimes even after it's been, where was that massive one? So this one has actually only been tapped into once. It was tapped into yesterday, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, there. But it hasn't been filled. I normally keep it up for the week as well, because it tends to still respect it slightly. Sometimes it might just get chopped up inside of it. Not always, obviously, but in general. But I mean, flipping heck, look at how it respected it there. I also sometimes see it as a magnet, because it is still an imbalance. I mean, this new weekly opening gap, check, it's the new weekly followed by this huge fair value gap. This is actually quite a nice level. Well, I would like to think it's a really nice level. It could be a rejection point slash a magnet that wants to get filled. I mean, this one has theoretically been filled, but I feel like not solidly. I keep it up for the week, but that's just me personally. I know a lot of people discount it. It's the same with like fair value gaps. Once it's been filled, it's me. But again, theoretically, it was filled here, but still got rejected off of solidly. Let me try and find a previous one. Where was last week's new weekly? It's a very good point. Where the heck was last week's new weekly? Sorry, now I'm on a mission. Where you at? I feel like it was really far down. Yeah. Tapped into 3 times. So even here, when it went through it, you can see it kind of got a little bit stuck. Tapped into 3 times, struggled to break below, and then was pushed back up. So I always keep it up because I'm always curious to see how it reacts in the new weekly. Got a little bit stuck in there before breaking up. Sorry, I know that was a little bit random. I got sent on a on a mission. I had to go and find it. Hey, I'm sorry, what's up? I'm proud of you. It seems like you have a lot more confidence. Really? In what? I don't even know what. Myself. That's a lie. No, I'm kidding. We blew through this week's log with no resistance whatsoever, so it remains a 1 hour imbalance. Exactly. Hey Lorato, what's up? How's it going? Are you from South Africa? And Serbian, hi. Let's see here. Okay. I'm waiting for a parcel. When is it going to arrive? All good questions. Knowing my luck, it will arrive when I'm not home. Do you know how often that happens? And I'm just like, are you freaking kidding me? 318. Please don't let us be stuck. 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 I mean, again, Asia had a decent move. So, I mean, on the plus side, if we do accumulate, it gives me better hope for New York today. No ways, Crypto Roach. Hi, how are you? No, that's my funded. What's up? Hey, Boom, how you doing? Ugh, we're riding the midline in the frequency trend. Yep. We are chilling over here. Boom, how you feeling today, by the way? You still a bit meh? The fever come down? Are you back to quote-unquote normal? Okay. See what it does at this volume imbalance. Nope. You okay? Like, are you freaking kidding me? I see it grinding until the top of the hour, hopefully a push down, then back up with continuation upwards. Shangy, don't say that. We still have so long to go. Until the top of the hour. Still respecting midnight. Yeah, respecting midnight. It's basically low-key stuck between midnight and VWAP right now. And I guess 3 AM open. I guess what's more, 3 AM open at midnight at the moment. So I guess we just sit and wait at this point. Which is kind of weird, but this is. Always play your streams in the background whenever I'm doing chores. Nice! Do you not have chores today? Wishful thinking just makes the truth hurt more. Well, that was... Do you know what that was?
Emotional damage.
Just saying. Samuel, what the hiding? Pia makes me want to close out for 100. Oh, yeah. Life sound, I hear you. Garab, okay, we're not disturbing. Oh, thank you, Garab. How you doing? Alright, we're hitting absorption, breakthrough. It's 3:21 in the morning, I'll do chores later. I mean, that's valid. Okie dokie. We seem to be respecting things quite well today. Okay. Might be it today. Let's do this. There was a solid breakthrough, if you will. We'll tap into this order block on the 1 minute. How's this look on the 5 minute? The 5 minute does not look good. Oh well. Is it... Okay, I think this is breaking to the sell side. New weekly opening gap, here we go. That little tap into there. Ooh, shoot. Solid rejection. No. Never mind. It's not A+. It was a little bit low. If entry was actually at midnight, it would have been better. If entry was below here, it would have been a better entry. Or not. This is quite a big wick happening right now. But this is not an A+ setup like it was earlier. That's a pity. New York was dropping craziest. I agree. Yeah, if Aaron doesn't respond, the boom boom start. Kujan Cook, do you really think that's gonna happen? Yeah. I mean, I'm hoping it won't, but you know, people, no one cares about that. 180, here we come. That just made quite a few imbalances. Good grief. Here we go. Do I trade? Hey, Ricardo. I have dabbled at gold, but no, not really. I do have a really cool gold indicator though, but I've not really traded it. The grief is good. I mean, I've never really thought of it like that, but you do have a point. It is basically saying grief. Louis, are you out? I'm assuming it's taken you out for $40. I agree on the 180. My entry would be at 177. Jackie Brown, what? Oh, nice, Narata, that is awesome. So well, what made you interested in it? Let's maybe ask that. Maybe not yet. Tap into that imbalance. Ooh, it's created quite a bit of stiff on ES right now. ES ironically looks better for a long. Back up to VWAP? No ways. See if it respects it. Why are there so many volume imbalances on ES today? What on earth is happening? Okay, wrong about that. Called that very wrong. Like, okay, hear me out for a second. Hear me out. Is it just me? Or does this price action feel very weird today? Is it just me? It feels slow but fast at the same time. Is that just me? Takes you out of 240. Oh damn, okay. It's not bad. Does that make any sense at all? I feel like it's really fast, but also really slow. Okay, cool. I don't know what it is, but it is something. It feels pretty normal for London. No, London is normally just either it's moving fast, but everything's moving fast. Or it's going slow, but then it's like consistently slow. This feels very, I just want to say erratic. Kind of like my mood. No, I'm kidding. Ah, flip. Oh, wait. I feel like that deserves this.
That's what she said.
James J says it's coiling. The Iran conflict is causing it. Okay, because I was like, this, it feels like it's moving in slow motion, but fast. Yeah, back at adult feet. Oh, nice. David. Pretty angry. It's on edge from the Trump deadline with Iran. Oh, okay. Okay. So does that mean there's more people in the market right now? Or is there no one in the market and that's why it's like this? The vibe I'm getting is that there's actually not a lot of people in the market right now and that's why it's kind of like this. I could be so wrong. I could be talking out of my elbows. Hey Vujay, what up? Looks about normal for range. I don't know. I don't know about price action. Everyone interprets it so differently. Yeah. Nowadays, Asia session is more volatile than London. I agree, chill dude. Asia session looks like the place to be. Wonder what volume is. We're watching for the backside of the week. Today we'll coil. So wait. When will the news come out, Kimlol? EST time. Is that what's happening at 8 AM? EST. Yeah, I got him for short from 5 minutes speed after 1.5 hour. That was targeting Asian low theoretic this morning, and I need to be on site for 9:30. Ah, yucky. Diggerit, what's up? Weekend, what about weekend? It's at 12:30 PM. Hey, Machiavelli, how you doing? What account size am I trading? I'm actually on a 50k account, so I'm pretty much in drawdown, but it's fine. Retesting there. Oh, so I did low-key respect that. Nope, never mind, take that back. Oh. Eastern IPM is the deadline for around funding in the States. Oh, thank you, Kujan. I appreciate it. On trade in the UK. Oh, way out of norm. Live sound? I hear that. I've been digging the Sydney and Tokyo Open. Yo. Zells, here we go. Jaxie Jax. Nah, I agree with you guys. This thing is low-key. Oh my gosh, do you know what it's low-key doing? I realized too late. It was Mojo Jojoing. So, literally Mojo Jojo. Do it from here. Boop. In here. Boop. Yeah, it's like that. Close enough. We broke above. Let's see here. Oh, thank you, Machiavelli. I appreciate that. Aaron already spun with deadline for the US to surrender, said that attack on allies and they're in the US. Oh, good grief. I saw something this morning saying, I don't know if that's true though. I feel like the problem is AI is a little bit terrifying because you don't know what's real and what's not anymore. To 3 AM your time when the deadline hits. Oh wait, okay. Thanks, Kujan, I appreciate that. It was power puffing. It was, Louis. It was solidly power puffing. I mean, it closed nicely above it. Let's see now what it does. Are we just going back into it? In which case, the Mojo Jojo did not work. Do I have a timeline? No, not really. I mean, it's not costing me anything. Obviously, you want to start getting in the positive and head towards that payout. I took a 5-minute lows on ES, but one was looking way too bullish for my liking. I was already in a short. Oh damn, David, that's not good. What time is it there right now for me? It is 9:34 AM for me. Kim lol. When my account is normal, I risk around $200 per trade, but obviously recently it has not been normal, so I have like de-risked solidly. which is a good and bad thing because obviously the wins don't make like wow, but the losses also don't blow the account completely. 9:42 a.m. $9.42. Yeah, me it's 3:35. 9:35 a.m. here in South Africa currently. Let's see if it respects this and bounces off of it now. Like I said, this is curiosity coming into play. Good grief. I'm Central Time, so you should be 8 hours ahead. So no, definitely not 10:35 a.m. 9:35. I'll load and get a new one. Precious gone then. I know. Have you ever tried Lucid or Topstep? Cannot use Lucid here in South Africa, unfortunately. If I used my Portuguese, well, so I'm half Portuguese, so I am actually a citizen of Portugal. If I was in Portugal, I would be able to use Lucid. Yeah, maybe I should move. But I can't speak Portuguese. That's a biggie. I feel like that would hinder me a little bit if I hinder. That's a word, right? A hindrance. Anyways, sorry. That was the ADHD kicking in. That would, you know, not be ideal. I'm in Portugal and I can't speak Portuguese. But, you know. I found that Aussie stories a little while. I do agree. David, did you fight with him? Crikey, mate. Sorry, wait. That was...
Nice.
That was good. That was really, really good. I'm impressed by that. Is it the gold shot? Hey, Andy knows. This is the Nasdaq futures. What's up? How you doing? Portugal's my dream home. Ooh, Ricardo, why do you say that? You're 6 hours ahead of Eastern Time. I'm Central, so you're 7 hours ahead. Oh, of you. Okay, got it. 2 a.m. your time is the year-end deadline. Okay, so I'll be asleep and there'll just be chaos hitting the charts. Is that what I'm understanding? It'll just be absolute insanity. Australia was at war. What did the Aussies do? Louis, Australians were at war with emus and they lost. That wasn't recent. That's just a little fun fact. I know that. Well, it was Australia, right? Or was it? Yeah. There was a war with emus and the emus won. And I think that is the funniest thing ever. Get ready for choppy day. No, James J, don't say that. It would be my place to surround on all sides of the mountains. Ooh. Yeah, the Aussies lost to the emus. Was a kangaroo too? Was there? No, I haven't heard about the kangaroo war. I definitely know about the emus because I will never forget about that. Because it is kind of amusing. Amusing. Okay. So bad. That was so bad. Oh. No, don't do that sad noise. Oh, man. Rough. That was freaking funny. That's not even the only one. Australia lost animals. Wow. Wow. Did you take the buy from the inverse for Valley Gap on Friday? I remember you mentioned it and it tapped into there and flew. I did not, James J. I should have, hey? I should have. It was like a solid tap and it just popped up. Ugh. What APT? Oh well. To say there was actually a solid trade here and I didn't take. I should. It's fine. Today I'm gonna be bold. Regardless of what happens, we've got this. I mean, especially because there's a 40% off Tradeify currently. Wouldn't be the worst thing to get 40% off. So, and I do want to move to Tradeify, so it's fine. I'm pretty sure the Greeks had a fight with the sea too. Weren't they pissed at Poseidon, so the soldiers were ordered to walk into the sea and start hacking? Interesting. No way is life sound. Is that true? That doesn't sound real. Is that real? Then first sign fucking Jackie, that is awesome. 600 point bang. Okay, how did emus even pull this off? I need to look into this. It sounds hilarious. Uj, wow, it's doing nothing. Yep. Wow, look at it. Look at it go. You're doing great, sweetie. This is why we're talking about emus, because what even is this? So sad. It's a sad, sad situation. Anyway, I feel like I'm about to make 40 bucks. A weak market. Yeah. Just like the Australians against the emus. I'm sorry. This is gonna be the thing of the day. On the 4 hour time frame. No, I'm on the 1 minute. It just feels like the freaking 4 hour because it's not moving. There was the Romans. Are you serious? They actually went and were trying to fight the ocean. What did they think would happen? Famously reports of having declared war on the sea god Neptune and ordered the soldiers to fight the sea. Venkatesh, what's up? How you doing? Bonjour. Je ne sais pas. That is hilarious. In 3 more hours, I noticed the market almost always jumps. In 3 more hours. I'm not here in 3 more hours, TY guy. It's power puffing from a higher star point. I mean, to be fair, it didn't break below the power puff. It did still kind of reject off of it. In a way. Does that make sense? It kind of makes sense. Oh no. You know what it is doing? It's low-key trend lining on the 1 minute. I'm not even really a fan of trend line, but yeah. Vujay, do you make money off of YouTube? Not a lot, no. Not really. It's 6 AM. Imagine trying to fight the sea. John Cook says it's about to drop. I was in the English channel as well. All places, not even a warm sea. Nasdaq one's 287 before dropping. It's not even tradable for me. Yep. Yeah, the sign of strength. Trend lines are useful. I would use them more as a breakout type of situation. Like I said, with the Mojo Jojo, it broke above. So that was a bit more of an indication that, hey ho, here we go. The buyers are coming into play. Does that make sense? I wouldn't quite use it as a, there's my entry, there's my entry, there's my entry. But I know a lot of people do. And it works for them. I mean, Tori, right? And if it works for you, well done. Seriously, well done. Okay, we're about to tap into VWAP on ES. Let's see what we get here. Yeah, exactly. Indication. Let it break the range first. Yeah. And then to take literally. That's not a moment. You walk out. Ah. Not even something scary like shark. I want to go. It wants to go 2 for 300-ish. What is up there? Whoopsie daisies. Well, apart from a bob level, no ways. Let's have a quick look. Let's go 5 minute. Okay. Well, I was keen on 284. I was keen on 284 being tapped. We see on the 15-minute we have a decent fair value. Okay, Wi-Fi. Seriously? Like, honestly, Wi-Fi is driving me mental as this damn fly. This fly has been driving me crazy since yesterday. Yeah, it was 284. I wonder if we're just gonna bounce around. I think once it breaks VWAP, we're good to go, but... Okay, tapped into VWAP on ES. Slight rejection off of it. Not as much as normal though. Maybe this is where we start to go. Up, up, and away. It's bearish. Gonna have to send them something because this is irritating. Yeah, I've literally stopped doing everything possible. There we go. Hopefully that sorts it out. Hopefully that sorts it out. So much manipulation. Action. Look at daily time frame. It's broken a major bullish trend line. A breakout from that trend line. James J, I did see that earlier. Yep. 1 hour fair value gap to minutes. Need some volume to get through, it would appear. Music until they learn to sense scouts. That is crazy. Damn, emus are smart. This is why birds scare me. I feel like they are smarter than we give them credit for. I was gonna say like, but I guess emus can't fly. But they can attack from all angles. It's scary. Let it break, be up and be patient. So Louis says if it hits 275, he's gonna sell. Aw, Samuel, you're such a sweetie pie. Gotta be patient, 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 gotta be patient. To remind myself to be patient. Emu's ancestor was probably a T-Rex. You know what? You have a point. What was that wild thing? Ah, Louis, I don't think you were here for the Fun Fact Friday session. About the Stegosaurus. Stegosaurus was alive before the T-Rex. I actually don't think they lived at the same time. If I'm not mistaken, I just remember sitting there going, what the heck? And then the T-Rex was alive closer to human time period than the Stegosaurus was. And I was like, that's interesting. But basically it was like Stegosaurus and T-Rex did not coexist. That was the fun fact. It was something like that. Who was here on Friday? Who can confirm or deny that? I completely forgot. Jackson Jacks. Hey, Shadow Levy, what's up? This is the Nasdaq futures. It's going oh so slowly. You asked if there is a setup here. No. I mean, I got a fair value gap. But this is a B setup, not an A plus setup. I have a fair value gap and a shelf, but that's about it. And like I said, it did just reject off of VWAP on ES. Damn. ES has been respecting the heck out of VWAP recently. Even last night, oh. This morning for some of you. New York, even New York session, it just respected the heck out of it. Only as they sellers ceiling at 630. Before the price can move higher. Hey Kevin, what's up? How we doing? How we doing? I mean, it did break above slightly. Let's see. Oh my god. I'm gonna send a message. Yep. Shoot. Okay, you know what? Let me quickly... I'm gonna restart the Wi-Fi. I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna restart the Wi-Fi.